Okay, so we're in book 5.3 on page 22, adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. Okay, so let's go to the examples. So I'm going to show you the easy way to do it. So if you look here, the examples, this is the easy way, and this is the longer way. So I'm going to show you how to do it the easy way. Okay, so this cake is cut into 4, and this cake is cut into 8. You see the sizes of each slice? It's different. So the first thing we have to do is make these the same. So in order to make them the same, we just look at the denominators, 4 and 8, and we multiply them. 4 times 8 equals 32. So then we go, okay, we make a new denominator. We also put it for the answer as well, because it's going to, the cake is cut in 32, 32, and 32. Then we have to go multiply, 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 multiply. And I go 8 times what? 8 times what is 32? 8 times 4 is 32. So I put 4, and I do the same number here. 8 times 4 is 32. 3 times 4 is 12. Then I go 4 times what? 4 times what is 32? 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 8 is 24. And then I go, is it add or subtract? It's add. So I'm just going to add these green and pink numbers, the top numbers, the numerator. So 24 plus 12. Oops. 36. And then I go, oh, it's big, small, Jebel Eglib, which is not good. We have to, if we have it like this, improper, we have to write it as mixed. Okay? Because if my mother says, how much cake do we have? And I say 36 over 32, it doesn't make any sense. My mother doesn't understand. So let's put this in, 36 over 32. Okay, so that's more simple. It's equal to 9 over 8, but look, it's still, let me make more space. Okay, I can make it more simple, 9 over 8, but look, it's still improper. I have to make it mixed. So I have to go Shift SD to get it here. So I hit the Shift button, and then I hit the SD button, and it turns it into a mixed fraction. So 1 and 1 over 8. So that means I have one whole cake, and then I have a plate with another one slice on it. So I really only have like one cake and a little bit. Okay, let's do question 4. So first I go, are the denominators the same? No, because this cake is cut into 3 and this cake is cut into 2. So we need to make it the same. So we take the 3 and the 2 and we multiply them and get 6. And we say, okay, we're going to cut each cake into 6. We also do the answer at the same time. Okay, so over 6. And then I have to go multiply, 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 multiply. And then I say, okay, 2 times what is 6? 2 times 3. And I always do same here. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. Now I go 3 times what? 3 times 2 is 6. So I use 2, 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. And then I go, is it add or subtract? It's subtract. So I go 4 subtract 3 is 1. And then I go, okay, it's small, big, it's proper. And because it's proper, I don't make it into mixed, but I should check. Can I make it any smaller? No, because that's a 1. So really it can't get any smaller. Okay, so if my mother says, how much cake do we have? We go, oh, we only have one slice left. Okay, one little piece on the plate. It's like there was 6 pieces, but these are all gone, and I only have one slice left of cake here. Okay, let's turn the page. Let's look at question 6. So this cake is cut into 6, and this one's cut into 9. It's not the same, so we have to make it the same. So I go 6 times 9 equals 54. And I do the answer as well. And then I go times, 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 times. And then I go, okay, 9 times what is 54? Well, 9 times 6 is 54. And I do the same number here. 9 times 6 is 54. 5 times 6 is 30. And then I do the next fraction. 6 times what? 6 times 9 is 54. And 1 times 9 is 9. Okay, now we say, is it add or subtract? It's add. So I add the green and the pink. 9 plus 30 is 39. And I go small, big, jebel, it's like a mountain. So it's proper. But we still have to check, can we make it more simple? Let's check. 39 over 54. Yes. It's equal to 13 over 18. And it's proper because it's small, big, like a jebel. Okay, so we're done. Let's look at number 9. So I go, are the denominators the same? No. That means this cake is cut into 9 and this one into 12. They have different size slices. So I have to take the denominators, multiply them, and I go, okay, what's 9 times 12? 108. Okay, and remember to do the answer at the same time. Okay, then I'm going to go multiply, 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 multiply. 12 times 100 times what is 108? I don't know, but it's here. 12 times 9 is 108, so 5 times 9 is 45. Always do same here. Now let's look at the next one. 9 times 12 is 108, so I use 12 there. Same. So 12 times 2 is 24. Then I go, is it add or subtract? It's add. So the green plus the pink, 24 plus 45, 69. And then I go small, big. It's like a mountain, a jebel. Okay. But maybe we can make it more simple. So let's check. 69 over 108. Yes, see? We still can make it more simple. So that means our cake is cut into 36 and we have 23 slices left. Okay. Let's do number 10. So here, this cake is cut into 8 and this is cut into 6. Not the same. So let's make it the same. 6 times 8 is 48. So then my new denominator is 48. But don't forget the answer. Do it at the same time because then you won't forget. So multiply, 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 multiply. So now 6 times what is 48? Well, 8. Always use the same numbers. 6 times 8 is 48. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 times what is 48? Well, it's 6 because we have it right here. So 3 times 6 is 18. Is it add or subtract? Subtract. So 18 subtract 8 is 10, and that's small, big. So it's proper. Okay, it's like a jebel, a mountain. But we still have to check if we can make it more simple. Yes. 5 over 24. And when it's proper, you can't make it into mixed. So we just leave it like that. Okay.